I try to complete this task about once a week. It's really important to me that all of our guys have fresh vacuums, that when they go into customers' homes, they have a vacuum that works, they can keep a super clean project, because man, these things get dusty. Would really appreciate you guys liking this video, subscribing to me, and watching more content. I'm just a single guy trying to build and grow a business, and this is my struggle to success and the real world storyline of it. If you would have watched Musk or Bezos or any of these other guys when they were coming up and they were nothing, this is kind of my story. My envision is to be extremely successful later in life, but this is my journey there. Follow along. These vacuums are the Walmart vacuums. I think they're $59 at Walmart. They break down to the motor in just 10 screws, and within just a few minutes each here. We have about 10 or 12 of these we put in rotation. So the guys have some, they put dirty ones in, so we kind of clean these, so the guys will now take these when they're clean and kind of just keep rotating. These things, man, they get dusty real fast, and it's actually quite a lot of fun cleaning them out when I have the time. What I have found in my experience is paying attention to these small details is one of the big reasons for success. Small details like this, having a system on how your vacuums are cleaned, how you maintain them, how often you do things, right down to every single thing you do, having a system really is a key kind of attribute on becoming successful. At least for me, it doesn't happen overnight. I've had All Four Walls for about 8 years now, Much Better Mushrooms for about a year and a half, and then I dabble in a bunch of other businesses. As you can see from my other videos, I like to just kind of have one-off type things. But just really pay attention to those small details because they really do matter.